Let's start by opening the Autoresponder's dashboard. Click Tools in the top nav bar. Under Automate, click Autoresponders. Here, you'll see the AI-generated autoresponder from our campaign. You can use this draft or create a new one by clicking Create Autoresponder in the top right, choosing to create it by yourself, with a template, or with AI assistance. For this demo, we'll use the AI-generated version we already created. Just open it from the list. This opens the Autoresponder settings page. Click Edit Name and give it a relevant name. For Linked List, select the same list used for your landing page. By default, it sends on day 0 at the same time as sign-up. Keep this setting. Ensure your From and Reply To emails are set to a professional email address. Create or update the subject line and preview text, manually or with AI, to thank the subscriber and clearly mention their coupon inside the email. Personalize it by adding the subscriber's first name for a friendly touch. Then, click Edit Message to customize the email content. The Autoresponder editor works just like the newsletter editor, so I'll cover just the key steps. Update the header to welcome the subscriber. Adjust the body text to let them know their coupon is below. Under e-commerce, drag a promo code block into your email below the text. In the right panel, click Create Promo Code. A new tab will open. Give the promo code a clear name for internal use. If you use Shopify, click Integrate with your e-commerce platform to sync codes. If using another platform, create a discount code in your store first. Enter your promo code, then click Create Promo Code. You'll be routed to the Promo Codes tab in E-commerce Tools. Close this tab and return to your autoresponder. If the promo code dropdown doesn't appear immediately, click on another element in the email, then click back on the promo code block to refresh. Then, select your new code from the dropdown. Your new code will populate in the email. Adjust the layout, replace placeholders, and update elements like logos and links. Ensure all buttons link to relevant URLs, for example, your online store. Test and preview the message. When satisfied, click Next in the top right. Send a test email to yourself and check the final look. Then, click Save and Publish. That's it! Your autoresponder is now live and will automatically send emails to new subscribers from your landing page.